in today's video, guys, I will be showing to you a new play to earn game, okay? And this has been listed in Coinmarketcap, Coingecko, whatever websites that you're going to look for. It is now available there, and it is called Rewards Hunter Token, okay? So you can buy this directly on PancakeSwap. And before I tackle into a lot of things that you need to know about this project, do not forget to subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict here, back again with another and awesome updates from you guys. So let's just jump right into it, okay? So again, Rewards Hunter Finance is you can hold RHT and you will be rewarded in BNB. What I really want or what I really like into this part is that the gameplay is being we are the ones who will dictate on what story that we want to happen in the Reward Hunter. So you see here, the community creates and builds an RPG story of a Reward Hunter, and after we've built this RPG story that we want, we can the created story will become a gameplay mobile online, which is an MMORPG. So it is a role-playing game, multiplayer role-playing game. So you see, it is on BSC scan. You can directly see it already here. So it is on Coinmarketcap, it is on Coingecko. You see that this one is actually completed, okay? And there's only one contract, and there are more than 2,000 addresses that are holding it here. Also, it is listed on Coinmarketcap. You will be able to find it. I will also include this one into the description box below so that you will be able to see it. They're also in Coingecko, so make sure to check this one out as well, okay? So let's talk about introduction about Rewards Hunter Token, okay? So it is a new BNB reflection token with a unique reward mechanism better than Tiki, Astral Kitty, Hold, Ghostface, and even others, combined with a crazy storyline starring the brave and genuine Venandi. So Venandi is the main character here. After all, facing all of the evils in the big BSC world, ranging from backstabbing rugs, venomous honeypots, and unearthly scams, Venandi decided to create his own community to conquer evils out in the open world. This community was named Reward Hunters, and I actually want this because there are a lot of rug pulls and honeypots in BSC right now, and we can't actually tell. And speaking of this rug pulls and everything, Leandro Bach is the CEO and the only people behind Reward Hunters. So you'll be able to look for his profile on Instagram, on Twitter, even in Telegram. You can also chat him. So you see that this is Docs, okay? You see that he is the main people behind this, and the developers are not even scared of like showing themselves, okay? So let's talk more of the tokens, okay? So more than 10% of the buy and sell fee will go back into the RHT holders. So you will, just by holding a Reward Hunters, you'll be able to earn BNB as a reward. So 5% of every buy and sell is taken and redistributed into the liquidity. So this is very important, because if there is no redistribution, then it will actually quickly lose value as well. And it is also rewarding those people who are holding it long term, okay? So also this liquidity has been locked. So you see 100% of the liquidity will be immediately locked on the launch, which they've already done before for more than 6 months, and it will be renewed for another 6 months. So the investors are always safe. Whether you are a gamer or an investor, you are safe into this because your liquidity is locked, okay? The developer won't even dump on you, and you will be able to see it here. There's no developer wallet, so there will be no doubt dump. And let's talk now about the roadmap. So this is like what happens now. They've already created this roadmap. So actually, Leandro Bach is a Brazilian, I think, because it looks like he is a Brazilian, and also he created a special community from Brazilians, but of course we cannot take in mind that there's an official Telegram group wherein you will be able to go forward here. Just click that part and you can go here, and as you can see into this, okay, there are more than 8,000 members already here. Okay, so there are some frequently asked questions that you can see here. Okay, what is the reward? So you will be rewarded in BNB. How you will be able to get it? Just by holding it, the reward tokens, and every 1 hour. Okay, so it will be automatically redistributed every 1 hour. Okay, so let's now talk on these some of the very important stuff over here. So you can see here into the Coin98 analytics, okay, that what they call that, rewards hunter is actually part of this. Okay, so in Binance Smart Chain NFT landscape, it is now belong into this list, which is very important, because being belong here, okay, it means that the quality or the project itself is really good, and you will be able to also look forward here, because there's a lot of people, and even these reputable websites like Coin98 are also taking in note on rewards hunter, because if there is no people that are taking in note on this, of course, even though it is just a game, then probably there won't be a lot of people that are joining, and you will be able to see that they are also part of it. So they are in top 4 of the leaderboards beside Gala Games, D-Race, and even Defiville, okay, which is very important. They're even bigger than Wemix, than CryptoZone, than Chain Guardians, which you should take in note. And this is not created by them. This is created by GameFi, which is the one who are always creating this kind of stuff. Okay, so reward hunters. So remember, Venandi is the main character. So there's also Diana will also participate, Orion, and even Annabelle. So this is the battle of Sotiras. Okay, so you'll be able to see this is the beautiful created rendered characters here, this MMO RPG. And actually I like this because he's really having this kind of interactions over here. So this is it really looks good. So this is how he jump and everything. This is more like the rat. So you see that there's actually things that are going on here. So this is, I think, Diana, if I'm not mistaken. So this is the interactions and everything. So you see that this is not just like a project that just created just for money or anything. This is a legit one. Okay, so if you have any questions, again, do not forget to go into their Telegram group. It is very easy. It is actually free to go here. So make sure to check this one and just, of course, join the group. And you see that this is the beta version. So they will be available on iOS, desktop, and even on Android. Okay, so of course, click to prove that you're human. So this is like, there's already a rendered file. Okay, this is already built and in progress. So I'm looking forward on this part because I am a really fan of MMORPGs. Okay, so that is it for this video, guys. I hope you like this content. Do not forget to subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict here, back again with another and awesome updates, and see you on the next video.